Looking for a healthy twist on your favorite snack? Try this guilt-free and tasty samosa recipe. Start by sautéing paneer and green peas with salt, red chili, and a mix of basic spices. The aroma is irresistible. Next, soften rice paper sheets by dipping them in water. No Maida needed. Add the flavorful filling and fold the sheets into that classic samosa shape. Now air fry your samosas until they are perfectly crispy. Don't have an air fryer? You can pan fry them with just a little oil. Healthy has never looked this delicious. Follow for more guilt-free recipes.